Good morning, Justin here from the Avant-Garde Collection. I thought I would do a quick walk-around video for our 1994 Land Rover Defender 90. This is a North American spec, or NAS, 3.9 liter V8 convertible Land Rover. You can tell it's a 94 because of the factory square taillights. And the convertible came with a forward-facing rear seat. 3 years only for the North American spec, 94, 95, and 97. And you could only get the stick in 94 and 95. This one has all the available options, which include only air conditioning. Very nice car, factory paint. Spent most of its life in a collection. Yes, the tires are a little old, but they show no cracking, and we saw no reason to throw them out. If someone's going to drive this daily or go on long hauls, maybe that's something to consider. I've got it dressed with the top off. We have the top, it is in new condition, and I will put it back on and take some pictures of that as well. Interior, again, just great. Awesome all around. The air does blow cold in this. These windows are removable, or obviously they slide. Bought just about as factory original as you could possibly get. Does have one little boo-boo on the front. Again, I mentioned there is no paint work on this car. It's all factory sprayed, but it does have a little ding here. But other than that, just as nice as can be. There you go. I'll do a little engine demo in a few minutes. But if you have any more questions, make sure and ask them in the comments, and I'll make sure and get right back to you. Thanks again. Hello again, Justin from the Avant-Garde Collection. I wanted to do a quick video on the motor as well and just show how original and nice it is. No leaks coming out of this motor, no problems whatsoever. Again, the AC is blowing cold. It is running 134A refrigerant. Just as tight and as clean as can be. I'll give it a quick start. This is not a cold start. I have started the car already. I don't know that it's warm necessarily, but it's definitely not cold. Ignition backwards and on the left side is a little bit to get used to. You also have to remember that this car will start without engaging the clutch, so if you are in gear, it may take off on you. One of the fun parts of owning a classic British vehicle is they are a little different than what you might expect, but different in a great way if you ask us. One of the most legendary and fantastic four-wheel drive vehicles ever to be produced, and very rare in that only 3 years to the US. No smoke comes out of this car, little steam. We're in the 30s. For degrees. Let's see, this is number 255. So here's your chance, guys. This one's a winner. Thanks again. Let us know if you'd like to see more.